Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by putting your music file into the Unity project assets so Unity can manage it. Once the file appears, select the game object that will play the music and add an audio source component. This attaches playback behavior. Next, assign the imported audio clip to that audio source and enable loop if you want continuous background music. Make sure spatial blend is set to 2D for non-positional music, and adjust volume so the track sits behind other sounds. Once the audio source is set, decide whether the track should start immediately or be triggered. If you want automatic start, enable play on awake, otherwise call audio source. Play from a script when appropriate. To keep music across scene loads, call don't destroy on load on the music game object so it isn't destroyed. For professional polish, control fades via a coroutine or an audio mixer snapshot. Fading prevents abrupt stops and keeps the user experience smooth when switching scenes or changing tracks. Finish by routing your audio source through an audio mixer so you can control master and music groups, create mute toggles, and perform crossfades. Make sure priority and spatial settings won't let the music be culled or treated like a 3D sound. Finally, test on target devices and balance levels against SFX. If you hit silence, check that the audio listener exists, the track isn't muted or at 0 volume, and the correct output device is selected. Those are the most common fixes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.